I'm going to tell you guys something you should ban Harley right now. If you try MM build, here's the MM build. Wait, no. There, this one. Do this build and you will be MM Harley. It's strong. Here's, you can use this for your last item or this one, but I prefer this for more damage. And here's the other one for more lifesteal and some attack speed. This is my full build. Wait. Oh, ito. So, you guys should ban him if, or choose him if it's not banned. Goodbye, guys.